Hello everyone! Want to make your keyboard bigger and easier to type on? I've got a nifty trick for you. While I'm using the iPhone 15 Plus for this demonstration, this tip works for entire iPhone 15 series. So let's dive in. First, head over to your settings. You'll find the Settings app on your iPhone's home screen. Scroll down all the way to the bottom and you'll find an option called Display and Brightness. Go ahead and tap on that. Now, pay attention. You'll see two options, Display Zoom and View. If you're on the standard setting, your keyboard will be the regular size. But here's the cool part. Select Display Zoom and you'll be presented with the choice of standard or larger text. Choose larger text and it'll make everything a bit bigger, including your keyboard. Hit Done to confirm your selection. It'll ask for your confirmation and accept it. Your screen will adjust for a few seconds. Now, when you go back to your keyboard, you'll see that it's indeed larger and more comfortable to type on. So, that's all. You've successfully made your iPhone 15 keyboard bigger by adjusting the display zoom settings. To switch it back to the standard size, just revisit your display zoom settings and select standard. If you find this guide helpful, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more updates. Until next time, bye-bye.